Wow, guys, I am speechless. I did not expect to get this kind of move overnight. We've seen obviously BTC break 30K, but nowhere did I expect Shiba Inu to go on a 12.25% run over the 24-hour period. Okay, we definitely got some help overnight. The broader crypto market, other altcoins have been pumping 8 over 30 cents. It's a great sign to see after being in these down, depressing prices for quite some time. Now, the cool thing is, if you remember, we obviously did some charting a few days back, and we did expect Shiba Inu to get into this range. We expected it to get up to the 50825 level. Now, stupid free version of TradingView. Now, we didn't expect it to happen this quickly. Okay, this definitely happened faster than expected. The reason why I say that is we expected this to play out over a longer period of time. The last time we had these 5 or so consecutive green candles to the upside, this move took place over time here, right? We had this ascending trend that started basically from early March until mid-April. And so we expected to be in this range by essentially mid to late July, all right? So the question now lies, where do we go from here? What's the next move for Shiba Inu? So historically, if we look at what has happened in the charts, I'd say the closest thing we have is actually this run back at the start of the year. This move from the 508 level all the way up to that 4016 level. Okay. So if we look at what happened with this move here, I'm gonna try to chart this out for you guys live. So this took what, like a month or so. And so now if we get this similar kind of move, this is what we could expect, guys. We could expect to move up to that 4014 level. Now, I'm not saying that this is going to happen. I'm not saying this is the same pump that we experienced back at that time, because we're obviously in a different scenario from a macro standpoint. Okay. Inflation is flatter. Interest rates are higher. There's still stuff going on abroad. We have the SEC doing what they're doing. We have the US dollar losing strength abroad. Okay, there's a lot of things that are affecting the economy right now and the overall crypto market. That's a key point to remember here. So I'm not expecting this to just go on this rip roar and run like we saw to start the year. This was a lot of depressed prices. If you remember, we dropped even further than we probably should have. People were securing losses to end the year. I mean, there was a lot of stuff happening. So we're in a very different situation than we were at that point. But just know that we got a few things to contend with here. We have this 5085 level. This is a very strong range of resistance that we'll fight against. And then the very next range is actually up at that 4010 level. That was a very strong range of support when we were above it. So I expect us to have some resistance there too. But just enjoy the fact that we're seeing what we're seeing right now. These massive green days. Again, Shiba Inu is really leading the pack here, 12.5%. Great times ahead, right? That's what I'm hoping for here. But I appreciate you guys. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you think we're going to stick around these levels, or if you think we're going to continue. If we're going to continue to make this move to the upside and try to tackle that zero loss. Okay. I think we're going to maybe take a stab at trying to drop the zero. So appreciate you guys. Hope you have a wonderful Thursday, and I hope to catch you guys in the next one. Take care.